Hey guys, this is here Ravi Agrawal and you have your CA final audit exam old and new syllabus Monday. So how are you going to spend this 30 hours? You exactly have 13 hours to prepare, and let me tell you how you are going to use this 30 hours. Today, that is Saturday, you are having 6 hours with you, and tomorrow, that is Sunday, you are going to have 18 hours with you, and Monday you'll be having 6 hours. So now today 6 hours, tomorrow 6 hours, you are going to do only audit bomb. Yeah, in 12 hours you are going to crack almost 120 pages which contain all question answer, majority question answer in crux form. So in next 12 hours, that is today Saturday 6 hours, Sunday 6 hours, in this 12 hours you are going to crack entire complete audit bomb, and then the rest 12 hours of this Sunday you are going to do it from audit PD exemption charts. In 130 pages approx, entire audit charts are there. You are going to revise it from there. So question answer first. In exam, people ask, ICI ask questions and answer. Okay, they ask you question and you need to write the answer, but people have a bad habit of studying only provision book. How will you apply? First step number 1, you do my audit bomb in 12 hours. That is today 6 hours and tomorrow 6 hours. You are done. Now you're left with 12 hours gone, and now you're left with 12 hours of Monday, Sunday, and 6 hours of Monday. So that is your 18 hours. So in next 12 hours of Sunday, you are going to do only audit PD exemption charts. Now you're left with 6 hours of Monday. In this 6 hours of Monday, 3 hours you will be doing what? In three hours you will be doing audit bomb, and next 3 hours you will be doing audit PD exemption charts. So 2 revision of your CA final audit old as well as new syllabus will be done by my plan. Are you ready for this? Immediately, if you've got, see, audit PD exemption charts are available for free on my Telegram channel, and audit bomb you can buy it at a nominal cost. You can WhatsApp me, okay? And just do it. I'm telling you, audit PD exemption charts cover 100% of the content of the world. There's not even single point that is missing. Audit bomb cover all majority of the question answer in crux form. So if you are planning for super exemption, distinction, everything is possible. See, basically you're not doing 2 revision, you're doing 4 revision. How? Question answers book done revision 2 times, and chart book, that is a detailed book, done revision 2 times. This is not a chart book. It looks like a chart book, but it's a complete coverage detailed book. So basically in this 1.5 day, you'll be doing 4 revision. Okay, Saturday, how many, what did I say? Saturday 6 hours audit bomb, then Sunday 6 hours audit bomb, 12 hours gone. Now Sunday you are left with 12 hours, so there you do audit PD exemption charts. All right, then this is done, chart book, audit bomb done, chart book done. Then Monday you do 3 hours of audit PD exemption charts and 3 hours of audit bomb. So total of 4 revision in just 1.5 day. Are you ready? I want exemption in this CA final audit book, CA final audit subject. Let's rock it, guys. All the best.